welcome you to my channel. This will be the first cooking video to start out the new year. This recipe is called the no meat fatata. It starts out with 10 eggs. Once you have all the 10 eggs cracked, you're going to whisk the eggs till fluffy. To the scrambled eggs mixture, you will add 1/3 cup chopped cooking onions. Next, you'll be adding 1 small chopped potato. Next, you'll be adding 1/3 cup white button mushrooms chopped. You will be adding 1/4 cup of red chopped peppers, or if you prefer green or yellow, just add the choice that you'd like. Next, you'll be adding 1/2 cup of cubed cheddar cheese. Now that you have all the ingredients in the bowl, whisk it really good. Just add some salt and pepper to your liking. After you add the salt and pepper, just whisk a little more to get it all mixed in. Be sure to spray the pan really good with a good cooking spray. Just pour the ingredients all in your favorite pan. I like to use cast iron. Now you're ready to put in your preheated oven. This fajita took about 50 minutes at 350, but depending on your oven, it might take a little less time or more time. Now your meal is ready for the whole family. You just have to dig in and enjoy. Thank you for watching.